When you think of an action star who is also regarded as the master of thrillers and action-packed films, the famous Tom Cruise probably comes to mind. Tom Cruise has earned a lot of respect in the film industry as well as a lot of money, thanks to his outstanding acting and business talents. His estimated net worth is $600 million. Today we are going to talk about his millionaire lifestyle. So, how does he spend his millions? Let's find out what makes his luxurious lifestyle so unique. Mr. Tom Cruise once owned a home in Beverly Hills, California. The property, which spanned 10,286 square feet, was sold for a stunning $40 million to Leon and Deborah Black. Mr. Cruise also owns a $30 million home in Colorado. Cruise reportedly paid $4.2 million for his magnificent English rural estate in West Sussex in 2006. The home, known as Reed Palace, is located in Dormans Park, East Grinstead, just down the road from the Church of Scientology's British headquarters, which is definitely no accident. Cruise, being one of the most prominent Scientologists in the world, had to have a base near the church's large English estate, St. Hill Manor. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss Tom Cruise's millionaire lifestyle. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. In addition to his lovely homes, Tom Cruise put his opulent Hollywood Hills mansion on the market in 2015 for just under $13 million. The actor decided to sell his luxurious Beverly Hills property in 2015, advertising it for a whopping rumored price of $50 million. Cruise and his now ex-wife Katie Holmes bought the palatial property in an off-market purchase for $30.5 million in 2007. Cruise purchased another property in 2017, this time in Clearwater, Florida, the heartland of Scientology. In reality, Cruise's two-story penthouse apartment, which he recently completed, is claimed to be only a few blocks from the church's international headquarters. After finding out about his luxurious homes, you're probably wondering about his car collection. Well, there is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The Bugatti Veyron is one of Tom Cruise's favorite automobiles. The Bugatti Veyron EB 16.4 is a mid-engine sports automobile designed, developed, and produced in Germany. Like Steve McQueen, who would acquire whatever automobile that caught his eye while filming, Cruise ended up owning a Ford Mustang Saleen S281, one of only 100 made. Cruise also drove a Chevelle SS Chevrolet automobile before he became a famous star. The Porsche 911 is a popular celebrity car with many celebrities owning one. Tom Cruise also owns one. Tom Cruise not only has all of these luxuries, but he also invested in expensive and rare aircraft. Cruise has at least 3 separate luxury aircraft, according to World War Wings, but he may own as many as 5. His Gulfstream 4 G4 plane is the most opulent aircraft. The Gulfstream 4 is a $20 million aircraft that can carry up to 19 passengers. Cruise also owns a real-life World War II combat plane, the P-51 Mustang. The P-51 was fully repaired in 1997 and eventually sold to Cruise in 2001. Cruise seemed to enjoy his P-51 Mustang the most out of all of his aircraft. He's been seen flying the plane frequently, and he's even been known to take his pals along in his World War II fighter. Tom Cruise has worn a range of different luxury timepieces, and it's interesting to see how each watch represents some aspect of the character he's portraying at the time. His character wears a day-date yellow gold Rolex President during his part as an overly ambitious car salesman in Rain Man. In Cocktail, Cruise plays a bartender who improves his skills over time while in Jamaica. The character is doing well financially at one time and can purchase a Rolex, a steel Rolex Air King to be exact. In his personal life, Tom Cruise has been seen wearing the expensive Rolex Datejust watch, the Panerai Luminor Marina watch, and the Calibre Chronograph by Cartier. He is likely to own a variety of additional timepieces, thus this is by no means an exhaustive list. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the wealthy lifestyle of Tom Cruise? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.